Gathering viscosity data on a liquid gives the ability to predict how the liquid will behave in the real world. For example, if the toothpaste does not have the correct viscosity, it will be difficult to pump out from the tube. Now, viscosity, it is also called as the thickness of the liquid. Viscosity is a crucial factor to take into account while selecting engine oil. The fuel economy or car's overall performance can all be impacted by the viscosity. Now, there are various devices available in the market for the measurement of viscosity. The device which is used for the measurement of viscosity is known as viscometer. Now, in this video, I will talk on the working and components of Redwood viscometer. Now, this device is named after the British scientist Sir Thomas Redwood, who contributed to the development of this device. Now, this is the schematic of Redwood viscometer. Now, this Redwood viscometer consists of inner cylinder. This inner cylinder is filled with a liquid whose viscosity is to be determined. Now, this is the outer cylinder. Outer cylinder is filled with the water. This outer cylinder, it is also called as water bath, and this outer cylinder, it is connected to the heating arrangement. Now, this is an orifice which is provided at the base of the inner cylinder. Now, here in this Redwood viscometer, the kinematic viscosity is determined, and this kinematic viscosity is determined by noting the time required to collect the 50 ml of liquid flowing through this orifice. Now, additionally, we required measuring cylinder, ball and valve arrangement, thermometer and stopwatch. Thermometer is required for noting the temperature of the liquid. Stopwatch is required for noting the time required to collect the 50 ml of liquid flowing through an orifice. And this ball and valve arrangement, it is required to stop and to start the flow through orifice. Now I will explain the working of Redwood viscometer. Now first fill the outer cylinder with water. Then fill the inner cylinder with liquid whose viscosity is to be determined. Then note down the temperature of liquid using thermometer. Then start the flow through an orifice and note down the time required to collect the 50 ml of liquid using stopwatch. Then this is the standard equation which is used for calculation of kinematic viscosity. In this equation, simply put the value of T. What is T? T is the time required to collect the 50 ml of liquid in the measuring cylinder. So after putting the value of 2, we will get the kinematic viscosity.